Begin with video tonight of the president's impromptu visit to supporters outside Walter Reed Medical Center. He remained inside an armored SUV as the Secret Service drove him for a brief survey of the crowd. And we learned today the president's health has had its ups and downs. NBC5's Christian Farr has our story.
We're getting great reports from the doctors.
On Twitter Sunday, President Donald Trump released a video while being treated for the coronavirus at Walter Reed Medical Center.
It's been a very interesting journey. I learned a lot about COVID. I learned it by really going to school. This is the real school.
Unlike his previous Twitter video at Walter Reed,
I came here, wasn't feeling so well. I feel much better now.
The president did not talk about how he was feeling after contracting the virus.
The patient continues to improve. He has remained without fever since Friday morning. His vital signs are stable. From a pulmonary standpoint, he remains on room air this morning and is not complaining of shortness of breath.
But his doctors did give an update and also acknowledged that Mr. Trump at one point had what they described as ups and downs, and say his oxygen level did drop below desired results on both Friday and Saturday.
I recommended the president we try some supplemental oxygen, see how he'd respond. He was fairly adamant that he didn't need it. He was not short of breath. He was tired, had the fever, and that was about it.
On Meet the Press this morning, the president's senior campaign advisor says he spoke to Mr. Trump and says the president appears to be in good spirits.
The president said a couple of things. Number one, that he's going to defeat this virus, that as a nation we're going to defeat this virus, and our campaign is going to defeat this virus. And once he gets out of the hospital, he's ready to get back to the campaign trail. He sounded pretty energetic.
Doctors at Walter Reed say if the president continues to do better, he could be released from the hospital as early as tomorrow. Along the Chicago River, Christian Farr, NBC5 News.